With AI networking, it's all about performance. It's about performance optimization with the goal of maximizing the performance, the utilization of the AI factory, of the AI cluster. Connectivity and access are still there as table stakes. They're still basic functions, but then performance optimizations is critical in order for these AI factories to be competitive. AI factories produce tokens, and in order for AI factories to be competitive, they need to be the lowest cost producers of tokens. Tokens means intelligence. The more tokens you have, the more intelligence you can generate. And therefore, in order to generate tokens at the lowest cost, you need to have AI factories with high token efficiency. In contrast to intent-based networking, the goal is to optimize the performance of these clusters. In order to achieve that, instead of state being the first-class citizen, you need telemetry, fine-grained telemetry to be the first-class citizen. And instead of having a rule-based system, a deterministic rule-based system, which was the foundation of intent-based networking, what we need is an AI-based, probabilistic, intuitive system that can react dynamically in real time to make the changes required to optimize the performance of this cluster in real time. With Aria, we built an architecture that is new and innovative from the ground up. It's a full stack that incorporates hardware innovations, software innovations, and brings in AI, specializes AI for the networking, for the AI networking use case. The Aria innovation spans all layers, from the hardware to the switch operating system to the software that manages the entire clusters. We're starting from a foundation of fine-grained telemetry, embedding code in the ASICs in order to get telemetry at the microsecond resolution. And then we have a platform that is able to extract signal from this telemetry at scale and then take the right action at all layers in the stack. Essentially, we are specializing AI for the networking use case, providing the networking context on a foundation of fine-grained telemetry. The Aria solution dramatically changes the way operators perform their jobs. Essentially, it brings AI to the networking use case, and the operators are therefore interacting with agents in order to perform their tasks, partnering with these agents, collaborating with these agents in the task of operating and optimizing their networks. In the future, the architecture will allow agents to work with each other, networking agents along with agents that are managing other aspects of the cluster. It's a completely new way of doing things. We're bringing agentic AI into networking, allowing network engineers to become not only 10x engineers, but maybe 100 or perhaps 1000x network engineers.